Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by putting all footage into Google Photos so the stabilizer has consistent frames to work with. First, upload originals or high-quality copies and group them in one album. This reduces mismatches between clips. Once uploaded, trim obvious dead space. You want the app to process only usable frames. Make sure files are standard MP4 or H.264. This avoids conversion artifacts. After that, open the album and select the clip you intend to stabilize. We'll begin editing immediately. You now apply Google Photos' built-in stabilization. Tap Edit, then Stabilize, and let Google analyze motion. This can take seconds to minutes depending on length. Once done, use the crop or zoom controls to adjust how much frame is sacrificed for smoothness. More crop equals smoother results. Play back at normal and faster speeds to spot jitter or wobble. If you see warping or weird edges, undo and try a lighter stabilization setting or retrim the clip to remove extreme motion segments. Finish by exporting the stabilized clip at the highest available resolution so you preserve detail. Save a versioned file name. This lets you compare original versus stabilized quickly. Play both back and check edges, frame warping, and audio sync. If you encounter ghosting, severe warping, or dropped frames, try these fixes. Re-export from your camera with lower compression, re-upload that file, then rerun stabilization, or split the clip at problematic points and stabilize shorter segments. That single troubleshooting step fixes most issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.